In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you already have a transition applied between two video clips, this is very easy to do, and once you know where to look, you can quickly fine-tune the effect to better match the pacing and style of your edit. Start by going to the section of your timeline where your video clip has a transition applied. You'll want to make sure you can clearly see the transition sitting between the clips because that's the part you'll be editing. If needed, zoom in on your timeline a little so it's easier to select the correct item. This can help avoid clicking the clip itself instead of the transition. Once you've found it, click directly on the transition in the timeline. This is important because DaVinci Resolve will only show the transition settings when the transition itself is selected. If you click on a video clip instead, you'll see clip settings rather than the transition controls. After selecting the transition, go to the top right of the screen and open the inspector. If the inspector is already visible, you can simply move on to the next part. If it's not open, click the inspector button to display it. The inspector is where DaVinci Resolve shows the editable settings for whatever item you currently have selected, so this is where you'll make your adjustments. From here, you'll see a set of options related to the transition effect that's been applied. These settings are specifically tailored to that transition, so the exact controls you see may vary depending on which transition you're using. For example, some transitions may give you more visual controls, while others may keep things very simple. That's completely normal. Take a moment to look through the available options in the inspector and adjust the settings as needed. This is where you can customize how the transition behaves and refine the look of the effect so it fits more naturally into your video. Since different transitions come with different controls, there isn't just one universal set of settings to expect. The key idea is that the inspector gives you the adjustment tools for the transition you selected, and that's it. Once you know to click the transition and open the inspector, adjusting transitions in DaVinci Resolve becomes a quick and straightforward part of your editing workflow.